Do you feel frustrated because you are not making any progress? Let's talk about that. Hello, I'm Frank and I'm here to help you to become a successful musician. In this video I want to talk to you about something which I experienced myself, and it's difficult. It's when you feel that you are not making any progress. You work hard, you practice, and yeah, it doesn't get any better. And it's very frustrating, it's discouraging, and sometimes you really want to give up, okay? It's a bit tough, and yeah, you feel like giving up. And first, let me tell you that this is normal, okay? You are not alone. We all experience that. I do myself also. And it's part of the process. It's part of the process when you learn a new skill, or when you want to achieve a certain level of this skill. You want to improve, you want to get better, to master at some level at least. The thing is that at least the impression of progress is not something linear. There will be a time, and probably that's what you experience right now, where you continue to work, but apparently you are not making any progress. But what you have to know is that it's just a specific moment where you don't make any apparent progress. I insist of the apparent, because in fact, and that's what you have to know, is that you are still building up your skill, you are still improving. It's just that it doesn't show. You don't see it, you don't feel it. But since you're working on it, you keep practicing, you are still improving. And after this kind of, I don't know how to call it, but it's like if you go down at some point, at least you feel down because your emotions are going way down, but your skill is increasing, even if you feel that it's going down, or at least you are not making any progress. And if you go through that period, and you don't pay too much attention to your emotions, that's my message in this video. It is okay what you feel, don't deny it, okay? Emotions are important, but these emotions are, well, don't pay attention too much, okay, to them. Don't get discouraged. Just say, okay, no matter what, I keep practicing, I keep working, maybe on a new song or a new technique. And at some point, you will reach the other point, and it will start to increase, and maybe it will also come suddenly. The technique you were working on for days and days or weeks, at some point it just clicks, and you are not able to do this thing, to play this song or this part which was difficult. It just comes all together. So at some point you have new connections building in your brain, and it takes some time, and yeah, everything is back together, and then it works. It is it's like a bit of magic, if you wish. And suddenly you realize, oh my God, yeah, I can do that now. It works. But it's really non-linear at all. So it's very, yeah, it's very frustrating at some point. So you can acknowledge that frustration, because it's a sign that, actually it's a sign that you are making progress. Because if you don't reach that point, it means that you haven't worked really, okay? You were just, yeah, like doing some kind of shadow work. If you are really working on something, really learning, you need to go through this. It's like mandatory. So if you feel that, and you are working, of course, on your instrument, it means that that's good. That's good. And soon you will be on the other side. And now you will start to really feel the result of your work, and that your skill is really improving. So yeah, don't get discouraged. I know that it's tough. I know, but just push through this, and it will get much better. It means that you're close, very close to reach the next level. And if you give up now, it means that you won't never achieve that. You will just quit, and you will stay at your current level, in fact, or maybe slightly better, but not that much. So go through that, and yeah, you will enjoy being on the other side, trust me. So that was my message for this video. Sorry, I'm just thinking but you will feel this joy. You will really feel this joy. When it clicks, it's like, wow, like a blessing, you know. So yeah, I really wish that you push through that, and you reach that point. It's so good. So I really feel good for you. So push through it. Don't take too much attention to these emotions, these negative feelings. Just keep practicing, be consistent, pushing, doing the work, and it will be so good after that. That was my message in this video, and I will meet you in the next one.